Breakups hurt, like can't get out of bed, eat a gallon of ice cream hurt. But what if I told you there's a way to heal faster, rebuild your confidence, and come back stronger than ever? Stick around, because these 5 steps will change your post-breakup game. Step 1. Feel it to heal it. Bottling up emotions after a breakup only prolongs the pain. Science proves that acknowledging your feelings, whether through crying, screaming into a pillow, or journaling, helps your brain process loss faster. Suppressing emotions can lead to anxiety and depression, while expressing them releases stress hormones and speeds up healing. Give yourself permission to grieve fully, but set a deadline, e.g., 1 to 2 weeks, to avoid getting stuck. After that, shift focus to growth. Pain is temporary, but resisting it makes it last longer. Feel it, release it, then rise stronger. Your future self will thank you. Step 2. Cut contact. Seriously. When a breakup happens, staying connected to your ex, whether through social media, old texts, or even their playlists, keeps the wound fresh. Every time you check their profile or replay memories, you reopen the emotional cut, delaying healing. Think of it like picking at a scab. It'll only leave a scar. Cutting contact isn't about hate. It's about self-respect. Unfollow, mute, delete. Stop the late-night scrolls. Redirect that energy into you. Healing starts when you stop feeding the past and start protecting your peace. The faster you detach, the sooner you'll move forward. Your future self will thank you. Step 3. Reclaim your identity. Post-breakup is the best time to rediscover you. That hobby you abandoned? Rekindle it. Those friends you drifted from? Reconnect. Reinvent your routine. Hit the gym, book a trip, or even try a bold new look. Your ex only knew one version of you. Now it's time to level up. Protect your peace by cutting off what drains you and embracing what fuels your growth. Healing isn't just about moving on. It's about becoming someone even better. The world doesn't just get the old you back. It gets an upgraded, unstoppable version. Your comeback starts now. Step 4. Rewire your mindset. Why nostalgia lies in how to fight back. After a breakup, your brain romanticizes the past, making you dwell on what-ifs and happy memories, while ignoring the reasons it ended. This nostalgia is a trick, keeping you stuck in false hope. To break free. 1. List the facts. Write down every deal-breaker, argument, or incompatibility. Seeing them on paper weakens nostalgia's grip. 2. Affirm redirection. Rejection is protection and redirection. The right person won't leave. 3. Future focus. Better connections await when you're healed. Trust the process. Your mind clings to comfort, but growth lies ahead. Step 5. Future. You is watching one day. You'll look back at this breakup and feel proud of how you handled the pain. Not because it didn't hurt, but because you chose growth over staying stuck. Right now, ask yourself, what would the strongest, happiest version of me do? Maybe it's hitting the gym, reconnecting with friends, or finally starting that passion project. Small wins build momentum. Celebrate each step, even if it's just getting out of bed or deleting their number. This isn't the end. It's your comeback era. The future you is watching. Make them proud. Start today. Healing isn't linear, but you've got this. Drop a heart in the comments if you're ready to bounce back, and tag someone who needs this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more life hack videos. See you in the next one.